Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask the question of how you can add YouTube TV to another TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and after doing some research, I was able to determine that in order to add YouTube TV to another TV, you could follow these steps. Ensure both your mobile device and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. On your mobile device, download and open the YouTube TV app. On your TV, download the YouTube TV app from the App Store or open YouTube TV from inside the YouTube app. Use your mobile device to cast the YouTube TV app to your TV. Select the video you want to watch and tap Cast in the video player. Then choose your TV from the list of available devices. Alternatively, if you're setting up a family group, you can invite family members to join your group. Each member can then use their own account to access YouTube TV on their devices, including TVs. When you create a family group, you can share YouTube TV with up to 5 other members at no extra cost. If you encounter issues with signing in on multiple TVs, ensure you have set your home location correctly in YouTube TV settings. If problems persist, you might need to sign into YouTube TV app using your phone and then enter a specific code for the secondary TV. For non-smart TVs, you can use a streaming device like a Roku or Apple TV to access YouTube TV. Remember, YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams at home with the best plan. For unlimited streams, you'll need to upgrade to the 4K Plus add-on. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in an AI companion for academic document writing, you can unlock your writing potential with My Stylus. Find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off your subscription. You would be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.